The ancient Cholas knew a thing or two about grandeur, but can their architecture hold the key to your UPSC mains success? Well, yes, the Cholas of the past have found a recurring presence in UPSC PYQs. Let's explore how to crack Chola architecture like a pro with Yuki and unlock the secrets to acing UPSC mains in the click of a second. Welcome to another episode of Prep Smart with Yuki, where we show you how to use artificial intelligence to decode UPSC themes and past year questions in a scientific, smart, and strategic way. Today, we are unlocking a recurring and high value theme, Chola architecture, by using Yuki's powerful AI prompts. So let's dive in. First, we will always begin with clarity. And nothing beats the short notes prompt to give you that solid foundational grasp on Chola architecture. Now that you've seen the short notes and studied this theme in a crisp, high-yield format, you're ready to tackle the real exam questions. Let's move to the 2013 Mains GS1 question. Chola architecture represents a high watermark in the evolution of temple architecture. Discuss. This is just 10 marks, approximately 100 to 150 words, yet full of depth. Notice how the response draws inspiration from the short notes you just studied. That's how Yuki's model answer prompt integrates learning. Here's the beauty of Yuki. Just below your answer, you'll see a follow-up questions tab. And look what we found. A 2024 GS1 previous year question, which goes like, though the great Cholas are no more, yet their name is still remembered with great pride because of their highest achievements in the domain of art and architecture. The exact same theme, now upgraded to a 15 marker in 2024. This is UPSC's way of telling you, prepare deeply, not randomly. Now let's level up. Let's enrich our answers with a real world dimension. We shall explore the case studies tab given below in the Yuki prompt responses. Let us ask Yuki to give us details on the case study on heritage conservation programs in India. Boom! Insightful, real time, and beautifully linked to your Chola architecture answer. And just when you think you're done, Yuki surprises you again. Related previous year question from 2018 GS Paper 1 from Mains. The question goes like, safeguarding our age-old architectural heritage is the need of the moment. Discuss. For 10 marks. See how one theme leads to another, from Chola temples to heritage preservation to one more PYQ and several more. It's a thematic progression in action. Again, Yuki gives you structure plus content instantly. You're no longer preparing blindly. This is a scientific preparation. Let us not forget UPSC is integrated and Yuki knows it. On the right, you get curated current affairs links and prelims MCQs to reinforce what you're studying right when you're studying it. So let's recap. In under 6 minutes, Yuki helped us study a theme, answer 3 real previous year mains questions, discover value additions, the linkage to prelims and current affairs. So you don't need 6 books, you need one smart tool, Yuki. If this approach blew your mind, give us a like, hit subscribe and drop a theme you'd like to decode next. With Yuki, you don't chase the syllabus. The syllabus unfolds before you. Prep smart, prep with Yuki.